Today on 3 Minutes Crypto, what are smart contracts? On the most basic level, a smart contract is computer code that is executed on many computers at once. Often, these computers are part of huge networks maintaining blockchains. Smart contracts are similar to real-world contracts in that they are written by people and describe agreements. However, instead of being executed by people using a slow and expensive court system, smart contracts are enforced by computers, making them fast, trustless and cheap. Smart contracts are stored as bytecode on the blockchain and they are executed within a virtual machine running on every full node in the network. Since everything contained in decentralized blockchains is quickly becoming part of unchangeable history, smart contract code is resistant to change, which makes bugs potentially fatal. Smart contracts generally don't just run automatically. They are always being triggered by so-called transactions, which is often the transfer of money into the contract, but it's also possible to send empty transactions containing messages that in turn start the contract execution. First off, smart property, which is property that can be atomically traded using the blockchain. For example, buying a car on the blockchain would require a car dealer to load up car ownership rights onto a smart contract, and whoever is willing to transfer the required amount of money into the smart contract would gain ownership. Secondly, micropayments. Any sort of micropayment applies here. For example, the use of autonomous cars, road tolls, paying IoT devices, or making your medical data available for research. Thirdly, efficient voting system. A smart contract could validate identities and log the votes using the blockchain. There are many more use cases. For example, any kind of external API, such as a button on a website, could trigger transactions. Or smart contracts calling other smart contracts, giving way for decentralized apps, or even DAOs, which is decentralized autonomous organizations. If you want to get into smart contract development, your best bet right now is to look into Ethereum and Neo, but there are other platforms that have implemented or plan to implement smart